Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be creating this stunning festive makeup look for the upcoming festive season using a full face of Swiss Beauty makeup products, which is super affordable and anybody can reach out to these products super easily. So yeah, this is the look that I came up with using only Swiss Beauty makeup products for the festive season. So if you want to know how I achieved this look, then please do continue watching. So first I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. So this is a nice pencil, I would say. It is very comparable to the Miss Clair eyebrow pencil and I really liked using this pencil. It has a lot of pigmentation and yeah, just fills in your eyebrows perfectly. Then I'm going to take the Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. This is in the shade 06, which is very light on my skin tone. So I'm using that to conceal the top of my eyelids as well as to clean under the bottom area of my brows like I usually do. Then I'm going to blend it out using a concealer blending brush. For eyeshadow, I'm using their Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in the variant 01. So this is like a plummy toned eyeshadow palette. So I'm first picking up that warm brown matte eyeshadow on a blending brush and applying that all over the crease in a blown out way. Then I'm going to take this very deep brown, but it has a lot of burgundy undertones to it. So I'm taking that on another blending brush and applying that and blending it out on the outer corners of my eyes. For the main eyelid color, I'm taking this Fusion highlighter in the shade 06 from Swiss Beauty again, which is a beautiful peachy gold highlighter, and applying that all over the eyelids as a shimmer eyeshadow. I'm also going to top it off using this metallic liquid eyeshadow from them, which is so good. This is in the shade 06 Rose Gold Retro. This has more of a cool toned color to it, so I'm just applying a little bit on the center of my eyelid and then blending it out using my fingertips again to add a bit of sparkliness to the eyes, which is proper for the festive season. To prime my face, I'm using the Makeup Fixer in the natural variant from them. I really don't have a primer, so I just went ahead with the spray and it worked perfectly well as a primer. Now for the base, I'm not having any foundation from them because they have a lack of shade range. So I found this pen type concealer. This is in the shade Desert Suede, which matches my skin tone pretty well, I would say. So I'm just going to use that to conceal any of my imperfections such as the dark circles, the acne marks, as well as the hyperpigmentation around the mouth area. The applicator of this concealer is really cool and it has about medium coverage as well. This is the only product that I found in Swiss Beauty which is similar to my skin tone, and it is a very sad thing. I wish they bring out more shades for dusky complexions because there is totally a lack of shade options for dusky complexions. Then I'm going to blend it out using a damp beauty blender, and as you can see, this concealer has a lot of dewy finish to it, so it just adds that luminous glowy base. This concealer also blends very easily on the skin, so yeah, it worked fine as a base for this look. Then I'm going to take the liquid concealer again to highlight and conceal my under eyes. as well as the centers of the face as well. Again, gonna use the same damp beauty blender to blend out all of these highlighted areas. This concealer also has medium coverage, I would say, and it's really nice. I really enjoy using this concealer. Again, it's very blendable. It gives a nice finish on the skin. To set and bake my face, I'm using this finishing loose powder in the shade medium deep. So this one has a lot of yellow undertones to it, which I absolutely like. So I'm just using that to bake my under eyes, the chin, and around the mouth area where I usually crease. While the powder is baking, I'm gonna take this liquid eyeliner. The shade is Jet Black. I really fell in love with this eyeliner. I love the applicator, the formula. It is super jet black. It really helps in creating that precise line on your eyes, and it's sort of like a semi-matte finish, and I absolutely enjoyed using this liner, and it's so inexpensive. And yeah, I'm just creating a nice bold winged eyeliner on both my eyes. Again, gonna pick up the same warm brown shade on a tapered blending brush, and ever so slightly I'm gonna define my lower lash line as well. Once that is done, I'm going to take this deep brown shade with a lot of burgundy undertones to it on a pencil brush, and I'm just going to use that to define my outer corners of the lower lash line. Once that is done, I'm just going to brush off all of the excess powder away and set the remainder of the face as well using the same loose powder. I'm taking their mascara. This is called their Thickening Long Lash Precision Mascara. The wand is really nice for adding that separated effect to your lashes, and it also adds a lot of length. The formula is good as well, so this is also a good product from them. Then I took this Ultra Professional palette. The number is 01. So I'm going to use the bronzer from this palette first. This is a very deep chocolatey toned bronzer color for dusky complexion. So I'm just using that wherever I usually do the sculpting, such as the hollows of the cheeks, the jawline, the perimeters of my forehead, and also on the sides of the nose, as well as under the bottom area of my lower lip. I'm also picking up the same blusher from the same palette. So this is like a mauvey peach blusher, so I'm just popping that to the apples of the cheeks. For highlighter, I'm using this gorgeous highlighter once again, and it is so stunning and so potent on the skin. I absolutely love it. It is so finely milled, and it just adds that beautiful reflective glow on the cheeks. I'm also adding that to the centers of the face as well. And to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. This has to be one of my most favorite products from Swiss Beauty. I just cannot recommend this enough. I absolutely love this highlighter. Moving on to the lips, I'm going to take this bold matte lip liner set, which has 12 lip liners in it, which is a very value for money sort of a set. I'm picking up the shade Burgundy, which is like a rich, deep brown with a lot of red undertones to it. So this lip liner is good, but the thing is you have to have a well moisturized lip before you apply this lip liner. Otherwise, it will be very hard for you to create that line on the corners of your mouth. So make sure you prep your lips well, and this lip liner would work fine. So I'm just using that to slightly overdraw my lips. For lipstick, I'm using their Ultra Matte HD lipstick in the shade Dynamite Berry, which is a beautiful deep berry shade. Again, has a lot of red undertones to it. So I'm just going to apply that all over the lips. The formula of this lipstick is so good, very comfortable, and so rich and well pigmented on the lips. It is beautiful. They totally look like the Huda Beauty powder matte lipsticks. I also added these lashes from Swiss Beauty in the style Nubia. I love Swiss Beauty eyelashes. They are super comfortable, super inexpensive, and they have quite a range of eyelashes with them. So yeah, this is the style that I went for this look. Again, gonna use the makeup fixer, the natural variant, to set and lock the entire makeup in place. This is sort of like a hydrating fixing spray, and it's really nice as well, but it has a lot of fragrance to it, so just wanted to put it out there. And here is the final finished look. Very traditional and festive and super inexpensive, and I absolutely enjoyed creating this look for you all. All the products that I used in this video will be listed as usual in the description box. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Take care of yourselves, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye!